Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see FitGirl Repack install tutorial. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type Windows Security. Click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection and just minimize this page and double click on the setup and select yes. Select OK. Select this music icon to mute the music. If you are under 8 GB RAM, then you must check this box, guys. And make sure nothing is running in the background, and then select next. Select next. Select the location where you want to save this game, guys. And then select next. Check all these boxes and select the install option. After the game installation done, open up the Windows security we minimized before and scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder and navigate to the game folder, guys. I saved in C drive games, and here is the game. Select folder, and now the game has been added to this list. Go back, turn on the real-time protection and select yes. Now just close stuff here and check this redirect to the site. Open the site and then select finish option. And as you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing file or bad file found. Just close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. And now you will never face a game related problem, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.